Today's video is about making inseam jaru pockets. Many of you asked for a beginner-friendly pocket tutorial, so today I will show you the easiest way to make inseam jaru pockets. Take your pocket pieces and place them right side together with the skirt or pants. Mark along the edge with a ½ inch seam allowance, then sew. Repeat this step for all 4 pocket pieces. Press the pockets flat. Now, place the front and back panels right side together. From the waistline, measure down 2.5 inches and mark your 3/4 inch seam allowance. Then, from that mark, measure 6 inches further down. This is where the pocket opening begins. From that point, continue marking the seam allowance line all the way down to the hem. Stitch along the side seam, stopping at the pocket opening. Leave that section unstitched. Next, sew around the pocket edge with a ½ inch seam allowance to close it neatly. I made rectangular shape pockets, but feel free to use any shape you like oval or curved styles. Press the pockets flat, then secure them to the front panel so they stay in place and don't flap around. And that's it, your pockets are done. What do you think? Manageable, right? I really hope this was helpful.